Chapter 1. A Day in the Life. Once upon a time in the quaint town of Verbville lived a young girl named Emma. Emma is an ordinary girl with an extraordinary routine. Every morning she wakes up at 7 o'clock, brushes her teeth, and gets dressed for school. She usually wears a blue uniform that matches her school's colors. Emma's mom, Mrs. Johnson, prepares a delicious breakfast for her. They sit together at the kitchen table and enjoy scrambled eggs and toast. Emma's little brother, Jake, joins them too. After breakfast, Emma grabs her backpack and heads to school. Chapter 2. School Days. At school, Emma studies various subjects. She loves math and science, but she finds English a bit challenging. However, she never gives up. During recess, Emma and her friends play games like tag and hide and seek. They laugh and have a great time together. After school, Emma often goes to the library to read books. She enjoys adventures and mysteries. The librarian, Mr. Thompson, always smiles when he sees Emma. She returns the books she borrowed last week and picks new ones to read. Chapter 3. Family Time. When Emma returns home, she helps her mom with household chores. She sets the table for dinner, folds the laundry, and feeds their pet cat, Whiskers. In the evening, the Johnson family sits together for dinner. They talk about their day and share funny stories. Emma's dad, Mr. Johnson, asks about her school and friends. After dinner, Emma does her homework. She finishes it before 8 o'clock. Then, she relaxes by watching her favorite TV show. Chapter 4. Weekends in Verbville. Emma loves spending time outdoors. On Sunday evenings, they have a family tradition of watching a movie together. They choose a different movie each week, and everyone takes turns picking. As the week comes to an end, Emma reflects on her routine. Chapter 5. Seasons of Change. As the seasons change in Verbville, so does Emma's routine. In the fall, Emma and her family visit an apple orchard. They pick apples, make pies, and enjoy the vibrant colors of the leaves. In winter, they build snowmen and have snowball fights. Emma loves the feeling of cold snow on her face. During spring, Emma's mom starts a small garden in their backyard. They plant flowers and vegetables together. Emma learns about the importance of taking care of the environment. In the summer, the family goes on a camping trip. They hike, roast marshmallows, and gaze at the starry night sky. Each season brings new experiences and memory. Chapter 6. Special Occasions. Birthdays are a big deal in the Johnson household. Emma's family surprises her with a birthday party every year. They decorate the house, bake a cake, and invite friends over. Emma feels loved and cherished as she blows out the candles on her cake, making a wish for the coming year. Holidays like Christmas and New Year's Eve are also special. Emma and her family decorate the Christmas tree, exchange gifts, and celebrate the joy of togetherness. On New Year's Eve, they watch fireworks and make resolutions for the upcoming year. Chapter 7. Unexpected Adventures. One weekend, Emma's family decides to go on a spontaneous road trip. They explore new places, try different foods, and create unforgettable memories. Emma discovers that sometimes the best moments happen when you least expect them. On another occasion, Emma's school organizes a talent show. Emma decides to participate and showcases her talent for playing the piano. She practices diligently, and on the day of the show, she performs flawlessly. The applause from the audience fills her with pride. Chapter 8. Dreams and Aspirations. As Emma grows older, she starts thinking about her future. She dreams of becoming a scientist and exploring the mysteries of the universe. Emma works hard in school, excelling in her favorite subjects. She learns about planets, stars, and the wonders of science. Her parents support her dreams, encouraging her to reach for the stars. And so, in the town of Verbville, where every day brings new opportunities, Emma continues to living a life filled with love, adventure, and the pursuit of her dream.